Hi, Blackboard has a feature whereby you can create some groups, and these groups can then be used to create smart views in the grade centre, or they can be used to grade students via Turnitin. So if you'd like to do this, you can come to your module, come down to the control panel and then click groups. This then brings you to the groups page, and what you'll need to do is click create and then manual enroll a group set. So now you'll need to give it a name. So it may be assessment, it may just be group that you put into here. And you can state whether it's visible to students or not. Now, if you are just using this as a means to grade students or group them for grading, select no and uncheck the tool availability of all items. And then scroll to the bottom and you'll see how many groups you want to set up. So select the number of groups you're creating in here. Generally, if you're doing this by graders, you'd do a single group per each grader. So if I select the grade and then also check create smart view for each group in the set, this allows you to group the students in the grade centre and then click submit. This then generates the amount of groups that you set up, allowing you to rename them and add users into each group. So you may put a tutor's name into here, and then you can click on add users, and this brings up a pop-up box which allows you to search using the search bar and the show all and paging to be able to select a student and then click submit, and that adds them to the group. If you've added a student to a particular group, you'll see here it says hide members already in another group set, so you can just click add users from another group, check the name and submit that, and that adds them into the group. So once a student's been picked into one group, they can't be picked into another, so it's quite handy. Once you have finished with that, click submit and that will generate the groups for you. Then when you come back, for instance, if you're going to grade with Turnitin, you could come to the course tools section, click Turnitin assignments by groups, and just then be able to select an assignment and then choose a group that you set up. And so you may have a grader's name here so that they can just click on their own name and that will view up all the assignments that have been submitted from students within that group.